Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I wanted to go in onto SPY really quick and how the monthly has now changed from an actual bear trigger to now being bullish again. Keep in mind, on the daily, it actually just opened with a gap on the high side, right? It opened up with a gap between 443 and 445. It does look like it might be able to break out of this range, especially with the daily about to cross bullish. So the daily hasn't even crossed, it hasn't closed bullish. Today is the very first day that the daily bull trigger happens on SPY for the daily chart. On the 4-hour, it's been bullish ever since August 20th, around 6:30 in the morning. So right here, and then on the hour, it does look like it tried to go bearish about right at the close of Friday, and then immediately it went back to being on a bullish direction. But keep in mind, there is a gap that got created down here between 443, 445 that is visible on the daily chart. But as soon as this actually runs up high and breaks this trading range of 447.18, those highs, I think there's a possibility that SPY keeps running. And the possibility of a crash or like a correction is not going to happen unless we actually have SPY close a bear month. That's it. That's really the only indication that's left of SPY closing a bear month. Again, the SPY had actually a green dot right here closing a bear month. This actually got created last week. It actually got nulled today in the morning with the huge pump of the SNP500 this morning, which it did rally a pretty decent amount today in the morning. So it started off the trading week super strong. Is it actually going to break these relative highs or these all-time highs of 447? I don't know. But if it actually comes back crashing, not crashing down, but if this week it actually comes back to retest 443, that is not a good sign, because it means that the monthly trigger for the bear market is possibly back on. As of right now, everything looks completely bullish for the S&P 500. If it comes down to close this gap at 443, I can definitely say that we're going to close a bear month for August. But if it does not, and it actually breaks relative highs, I think that within a couple of weeks we are headed to a 454 roughly S&P 500, and I actually have my forecast for 456 by September 15th. But again, that's only if we do break these relative highs of 447 and like 21 cents, 20-ish cents. So I'll see you guys later. Super strong open on the market as a whole. Futures were green yesterday, so it's not too much of a surprise. And all of crypto right now is still really pushing to the upside. So far the S&P 500 looks completely bullish. If it comes back and closes that gap at 443 before the month of August, there's a very strong chance that August closes bearish, and a very big possibility of seeing anywhere between 15, 20, 30 point drop or a $30 drop within the S&P 500 in the coming months. So until we have a bear monthly close, that is never going to happen to the S&P 500. I'll see you guys later.